Today I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in CapCut. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very easy way of doing this. So you've got your video clip in over here on your timeline. At the top you'll see this toolbar. Look for captions, click on this. At the bottom, click on generate. This will take a few seconds. It'll take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on how busy your video clip is, how much there is to do. Over here we're going to use control and our mouse wheel just to zoom in over here. And here I've selected all of the captions. On the right hand side you will see over here, these are our captions. You can see this is what the text will look like. So let's just get some text there. Right. This is what it looks like. Now, of course, that's very boring. We want to maybe just change what it looks like here. So let's say, for example, we want to use this one here. Let's say we're going to go down. Let's choose another. Let's look for a different one. Let's use this one. You can change the size. You can also go ahead and change the pattern, the case, the color. Let's say we want to make it red. All right. You can also select one of these preset styles. So let's say we want to do that or that or that, whatever your case may be. And here you can change the scale. All right. And pretty much everything else. There are templates as well. There are speech bubbles. There are special effects. There are different animations. And then there is the text to speech option. This is essentially what it will look like as we're going through here. Make sure that you are exploring with all the options. But ultimately, to have this done automatically, all you'll have to do is click on generate.